Hi, YouTubers! Okay, this is an introduction to what our page is about, what our video, the whole video on our account is about. Okay, our YouTube is youtube.com/truthdarerecord. The name says it all. Okay, you give us a question, a truth question, and we both answer it unless you put our name, like Trang, blah 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 blah, B, blah 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 blah, then we will answer it. But if you put both of us, we, both answer it, of course. And then for the dare, give us a dare and we will go do it. We will record it and we will upload it here. Okay? But nothing disgusting, nothing inappropriate, as you may say. Keep it at least PG-13. Okay? No XXX. Okay? So, yeah, you get the point. So, yeah, just comment below, or write to us on Facebook and give us your truth, give us your dare. We will give a link to our Facebook, and we will also give a link to our own personal YouTube account in case, I just want to check out other videos instead of truth or dare. So, yeah, go ahead, start writing, start typing, and tell us everything you want us to do. We'll go do it. Like, if you want us to go act like a hobo for a day, we go do it. And I will show you how much change I collect. Okay? So, yes, start the writing, start the typing. No hate comments. Okay? No, y'all are being stupid, Y'all lame, this is this. We don't give a crap.
Because we know.
It's obvious we don't give a crap if we're gonna do this and put it online for y'all to see. Okay? So, don't be haters and just love what we're doing and be a part of it. Okay? So, yeah, get going. Comment. Facebook it.